Before we go to the big Delhi debate tonight, it's a flip season in Delhi. There's a U-turn charge sheet. Let me introduce our panelists. We have three big, interesting spokespersons. Shazia Ilmi of the BJP, making a first appearance, BJP leader on the News Hour tonight, debating with Ashish Khaitan, and Harun Yusuf, senior Congress leader, all there on our screen. Debate is on U-turns. U-turn पर debate है. पहला सवाल मेरा BJP के शाजिया इल्मी के साथ है. मैंने तो सोचा भी नहीं था, शाजिया इल्मी, that a day will come when I will have to introduce you as a BJP leader. But here you are. You're a BJP leader now. And Ashish is also looking very surprised. He looks at the screen there, and perhaps yes, Ashish is also having to pinch himself to believe you're a BJP leader. Harun Yusuf को भी शायद सोचा नहीं होगा कि शाजिया इल्मी will be introduced as a BJP leader. तो my first question is, आप सब लोगों ने U-turn किया है. मैं सबसे बड़ा U-turn तो शाजिया आपका है. क्योंकि आपने कहा on 14th of May 2014 आपने कहा कोई लहर नहीं है, जहर है. आज ये लहर है या जहर है? बीजेपी के बारे में आपने बोला था, मोदी जी के बारे में बोला था, कोई देयर इज नो वेव, नो लहर, ओनली जहर. आज क्या है, लहर है कि जहर है?
Yes, I said it indeed on 14th of May.
So it changed.
And I want to remind you, Arnab, that I was at that point of time with Aam Aadmi Party. I believed in Arvind Kejriwal as my leader.
No. I'm not talking about Aam Aadmi Party. I'm asking you what you said about the BJP.
Yes, I know. On 14th of May, right?
Yes.
That's what you quoted.
Yes.
I was with Aam Aadmi Party at that point of time.
No, so when you're with Aam
That's
Aadmi
exactly
Party,
what I'm
BJP
saying.
is zahar. When you're with the BJP, it becomes a
Aam Aadmi
leher.
Party. When I said it at that point of time, and I believed it. That's why I contested elections from Aam Aadmi Party.
So now what is the BJP?
Anna Hazare movement
Now what
was
is the
there,
BJP? Is it a
Aam Aadmi Party
BJP?
was not, I'm
Okay,
telling you.
One second. You also said in the same forum,
Okay,
you said the
want me to answer
BJP
that?
is an
I
agent
think
of
it's a
industrialists.
BJP leher.
Okay,
Okay, now you want me to answer that? I think it's a BJP leher.
BJP leher.
It's
and
a
what
BJP
about
leher.
what? No.
It
What
is
about
not
the
Zahir, it is
Zahir?
leher.
What about the Zahir part of it? What happens to that? Over. History. Move on.
Yes. I actually believe that, as many of you did.
Now you don't. You had a change of heart.
And we had serious questions about BJP.
You had a change of heart. So
yes,
can you tell me very specifically? Very specifically.
Absolutely. And I have every right to have a change of heart.
Should we? Okay, it's an open debate. I'm not going to put separate questions to all.
If I have chosen.
Any counters welcome.
Thank you very much for asking me that question, and thank you very much for allowing me to speak now.
No, Shazia.
Because I chose being a part of the political process.
Shazia, you chose to join the political process saying, can the BJP please tell us? No, you said, can the BJP please tell me? Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia, just a minute, please. Just a minute, please.
Answer you.
Just a minute, Shazia, please. You said, please explain BJP.
Okay, ask me one question.
No, you said, please explain BJP. 1 second. Shazia, you have to listen to the question.
Set the rules.
You have to listen to the question, and then others will also come in. Because in 1 minute, I'm opening up the debate. I have questions for others also.
So I want to answer that.
No, I have questions for everyone. My second question to you is...
I have seven times
Shazia,
before,
listen.
But I will do it again.
Shazia, listen,
I stood for politics of transformation.
Shazia, will you listen?
I stood for politics, not electoral politics, and I became part of Anna Hazare movement. Aam Aadmi Party
Shazia,
was not even a figment of anybody's imagination.
No, what, Shazia?
If you remember.
Shazia, I think I've lost the line with you, which is why you're continuing to speak. Can we get back the line with Shazia Ilmi, please?
Almost killing her political career before.
Okay, this is going to go into speech mode otherwise. No, 1 minute.
Unfair.
Can we just quickly connect her back?
Became Aam Aadmi Party.
Can we quickly connect her back?
Okay.
But 1 second.
At that point of time, I stood for politics of transformation, and it wasn't a winning party.
Can we please connect her back?
Nobody even knew it would do wonders. Which it
Can we please connect her back? Otherwise, she won't stop. 1 second.
Hello,
Shazia, can you hear me? I don't think you have the audio line with me. 1 second.
So I became part of.
No.
Okay,
1 second. We'll bring Shazia back when we have the audio line with her. My next question.
Party of transformation
I'm going to open up the phone lines tonight.
It had renounced.
I am going to open up the phone lines tonight.
It espoused.
Shazia, 1 minute. Just a minute. Your line is back. Questions will be asked. Harun Yusuf of the Congress Party puts out a booklet. What is the booklet called? It's called दिनों की उल्टी चाल, दिल्ली हुई
It's
बेहाल.
very unfair that you've called me to speak and you're not giving me a chance. to
Shazia, this is the standard political excuse. You know, when all politicians, and you've picked up politics very well, the
Let me
standard
finish what I'm saying.
excuse is
Like,
for a
give
politician
me a
who only
chance to speak.
speaks. And
You have asked so many questions.
Shazia, will you
So
listen?
surely I should be allowed to.
Okay, Shazia, I'll give you a piece of advice now that you're in
Yes.
politics. Now that you're firmly in politics, at least you don't say you're an activist. Now, I'll give you a piece of advice is please listen. Because we have been trying to get across to you. I'll open up the phone
You know, I
lines in a
said
minute.
all that. You
Shazia,
can
please
quote,
listen.
I said a lot of things about
Shazia,
Congress.
listen.
I
1,
said
2,
a
3,
lot of
4.
things
Can you
about
hear me?
Narendra
Can you
Modi.
listen, please?
I actually believe
Can you
in them.
listen? Please, Shazia, be please. There are others also.
Yes.
Now, Harun Yusuf and Ashish Khaitan. Ashish Khaitan wanted to counter you first. Ashish, please. Yeah, Ashish.
Yeah, I actually don't want to counter. I just want to make a point that what Aam Aadmi Party stood for, and all of us who came together to join this party, actually we had set out to fix the system. And it was not about swimming with the tide. It was about, at times, swimming against the tide. And we knew that this is not going to be an easy fight. It was a big surprise victory when Aam Aadmi Party bagged 28 seats. And I joined the party afterwards, just before the Lok Sabha elections. We knew that it is going to be a difficult road ahead. We knew that, look, on one side there are forces of big money, corrupt forces,
Ashish, can you cut the chase? Ashish, can you come to the point? Because I don't know, this is that Ashish, I find tonight, if I may say so, Ashish, because you have got an ex-Aam Aadmi person sitting, no, 1 second. Because you've got an ex-AAP person on the show called Shazia Elmi, you've gone soft. I have never seen you so soft on a BJP leader or a BJP spokesman. Can you please be your normal and usual self in the debate tonight?
What I'm saying,
or is it because Shazia is on the other side, so you're going to go soft? Please, can we get on to issues? I'm going to Harun Yusuf.
It's not about being soft. It's not about being. I'm being assertive. I'm asserting a point, an argument. The point is that both Shazia and Kiran Bedi a year ago used to say that BJP and Congress are funded by black money, that BJP and Congress are controlled by crony capitalists, that BJP and Congress are thoroughly corrupt, that BJP and Congress join hands to keep themselves out of the RTI ambit, and they cannot vote for a party like BJP and Congress. Both used to say that both BJP and Congress have a misogynistic, anti-women mindset. They are medieval, antediluvian in their mindset. They were the parties of the past, and we had come out, we had formed the Aam Aadmi Party to fight against this traditional antediluvian political parties. And now, just because the elections are around the corner, somebody wants to have a grab at power, you join the same forces, you are ranged against all this while. What happened to your ideology?
Okay, 1 second. Don't give me a general. No, 1 second. No, 1 second. Ashish, 1 second now, please. Please stop for a minute. 1 second. Ashish, you see, 1 second. I'll now moderate this, please. I want specifics. मेरा सवाल सिर्फ एक है, not a general answer. Harun Yusuf, my question to Shazia Elmi is this. She said, and if you want to add on to it, because you've been wanting to come in, Shazia, 1 minute, because Harun Yusuf has limited time, I want to give him an opportunity to come into the debate. Who's done more U-turns? The biggest U-turn, Mr. Yusuf, the Congress party has done. By supporting the Aam Aadmi Party was the biggest U-turn any political party could do. You did the biggest U-turn. Before we move on to let Shazia answer, will you please explain whether you have the moral position to accuse others of U-turns?
You see, Arnabji, that has opened the eyes of the entire people of Delhi, because what they promised sky, and they gave a charter of demand of that they will fulfill these 19 promises. We thought maybe we are unable or we are not capable of fulfilling those 19 points. Let us give them a chance and let them prove in front of the people of Delhi. In just 49 days, they ran away. And most of the time, either they were sitting on dharna or they were making false promises like giving permanent jobs to
Sir, how many U-turns did you make?
Home guards,
how many U-turns did you make?
And then they were
how many U-turns did you make? You said
we have made, people have seen, people of Delhi has seen. They were carried away by the slogans, by the promises made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Now it seems as if Aam Aadmi Party has become a training ground for Aam Aadmi Party to go to the BJP. Take any leader who has left Aam Aadmi Party, straight away has gone to the BJP.
Now, Mr. Harun Yusuf, on a day when Krishna Tirath has joined BJP, when 120 congressmen have been given tickets by the BJP and they today are BJP MPs. You know, you of all the people, Congress party, I mean, what are you talking about U-turns? You have
see,
been the mothership of all these scams and
you see,
corruption.
this is
2G
the kind
scam,
of
CWG
opportunism.
scam, unauthorized colony
I'm
scam,
saying about Krishna
mining
Kiran
scam,
also.
telecom scam, and every day your
keep
leaders
on
are
talking
deserting
of
your
scams.
party and joining
Bharatiya
either
Janata Party
BJP or
talks
Aam
of
Aadmi
the
Party.
black money
You are talking
worth
about
25
U-turns.
lakh crores.
What is the credibility of your party today?
And
What are you
today they are
fighting
saying
for
we don't
today?
know how
Where do
much
you
is the
stand
money.
in the electoral arena of Delhi today? I want to ask you, what is your agenda for Delhi today? The agenda of
See,
Congress and BJP
Mr.
today
Khaitan,
is single-pointed
Mr.
agenda.
Khaitan,
Just somehow
7
stop
February,
Aam Aadmi Party
people
from
will
coming
give you
into
a
power.
befitting
That's
reply,
it.
the kind,
You don't
the
have
way
any
you are
other
running
agenda.
the party,
Your
the way
single-point
you are trying
agenda
to
is
fool
to
and mislead
criticize,
the people of Delhi.
abuse
Two questions.
Aam Aadmi Party. That's
There are
it.
16 charges,
Where are your
gentlemen.
leaders? Where is the
Gentlemen, there are
agenda?
16. No,
What
one
do you
second.
stand for?
There are
Change the
16
face
charges.
of Delhi
Ashish
over the
Khaitan, a
last
minute.
15
Congress
Harun
stands for
Yusuf,
corruption.
Shazia, a minute. Hold
Congress for
on.
corruption.
No, one
Very
second. My
fair.
question is to Ashish Khaitan. My question is to Ashish Khaitan.
Fair, but
My
that's
question
not
is to
allowed to
Ashish
speak at
Khaitan.
all.
Ashish Khaitan, listen to me, and
Arnab, it's
Shazia,
very
let
important
Ashish take
that
the
you-
question. My question to Ashish Khaitan. There are 16 charges in the booklet of the Congress party today. 1 minute. I will pick up 16 charges, they're on the screen right now. 16 U-turns you have been accused of. Can I pick up just 2 here and ask you a counter question on them, please, Ashish?
Go ahead.
Which one do you want
Go
to
ahead.
talk about? Which one do you want to talk about?
Hey,
Tell me, I
have
give
the
you a
booklet.
choice.
I don't read Congress's booklets. You are reading Congress's
You
booklet.
haven't
I
read
don't
the Congress party
The
booklet.
booklets released by Congress party.
Have you read the Congress party
Go ahead.
booklet?
If you have faith in Congress's booklets, good luck to you. Please read out the charges.
I will read all booklets and ask my own questions, and I will read your booklets and ask you questions. I have many questions
ahead.
for you, Ashish Khaitan. Right?
Go ahead, Arnab.
So the first question is this. Please realize, electricity. Blame the discoms but make the consumer pay. This is charge number
Absolutely
7.
wrong.
Charge number 7, which has been put here.
The people of Delhi today are in debt to the tune of 14,000 crore rupees. Discoms today claim 14,000 crore rupees on the people of Delhi. If Aam Aadmi Party doesn't come into power, power tariff in Delhi will be twofold in a few years from
Harun
now.
Yusuf, you concede. Harun Yusuf. My counter to Harun
and
Yusuf.
we will,
Harun,
over the next few
Harun
weeks,
Yusuf.
put out evidence how both Congress and BJP
Arnab,
have been the recipient of the largest of Anil Ambani
Arun Yusuf.
BSES,
Arun
which
Yusuf.
distributes power in
there's a lot
Delhi.
of accusations
They have been in
against
league with Anil Ambani owned BSES. BSES has been looting the people of Delhi because both Congress and BJP have been the recipients of the largesse doled out by Congress and BJP.
Yeah,
By-
Harun
by-
Yusuf.
by
No,
Anil Ambani
my
owned
question is to Harun Yusuf.
They are
Harun Yusuf, would you concede?
When the president
Arun.
and vice president of
No, you have to
BJP
give time.
happens
You
to be
have to-
contractor
Shazia, I'll give you
of Anil
time.
Ambani
I'll come to your U-turns in a minute. I started with you. My question is to
when
Harun
some
Yusuf.
very close associates of Sheila Dikshit, they party and holiday with Anil Ambani's closest men.
You have to give everybody time.
Shazia, I'll
Just
give you
because
time,
the
but
people
will
talk
you
and
stop
keep
anyone else
blabbering
from
does
speaking
not mean
tonight?
you will
Is
not
this
give
your
them
new
Mr.
time.
Harun
strategy?
Yusuf will
No,
talk
I don't
about
have a
Congress, will
problem.
talk
Is
about
this your new
corruption.
strategy? Emboldened
They
by
have
joining the
allowed
BJP?
Bijli companies to loot the people of Delhi.
And I think it's being
The
very
Bijli
biased.
scam itself runs somewhere in the range of 20 to 25,000 crore rupees.
No, this has become.
And Congress has been taking money.
What have you done?
Congress has been taking money from the Bijli companies.
Shazia,
I think Arnab,
Shazia, you
you
just,
cannot allow
Shazia,
this.
you will,
This-
Shazia,
Why didn't you order a CAG audit?
Shazia, first of all, I just want to say something to Miss Shazia Ilmi. I want to say one thing to Shazia Ilmi. Miss Shazia Ilmi. Miss Shazia Ilmi, 1 second, please. Can I just have Shazia on the screen? I want to tell you something, Shazia.
I don't
First
think
of all,
it's
no,
fair.
I want to tell you something, Shazia.
I don't think it's fair.
Miss Shazia
I don't
Ilmi.
think it's
Miss
fair.
Shazia Ilmi, I want to
The
tell
kind
you
of
something.
things
You
you have
listen
been saying,
before you complain
you
too
must
loud.
allow me to speak.
Miss Shazia Ilmi.
I
Now you
want to
listen
listen.
for 30 seconds,
I will-
please. It is in
I'm
your
watching
interest
how
to
much
listen,
time
Miss
you
Shazia
take.
Ilmi.
I'm watching
Miss
how
Ilmi,
much time
listen.
you're giving to every panel
Miss
and
Ilmi,
so
listen,
on.
you are
I'm
just going on and on and on and on and
watching
on.
one
Now you
panel
listen, please.
and how much
Okay, so
time
I'm going
you give
to
other
see how
panels.
long you can carry on. Will you
I'm
stop for a
watching
minute?
that, and I've been an
Miss
actor, so I know
Shazia Ilmi,
exactly
don't
what's
teach me
happening.
journalism. You are
And
a
I want to come
politician,
to
for
that.
God's sake. and please have the decency to listen. If you don't want to listen, don't listen. I'm asking you a question. Please behave yourself, Miss Ilmi.
You made many accusations.
Miss Ilmi, will you please let others
I
speak?
think it's very fair.
Miss Ilmi, will you let others speak?
It's only fair that you don't treat one journalist as a co-anchor and another panelist.
One second. Can I just, Miss Shazia Almi, first of all, if you care to listen, I'll just tell you something. Please keep quiet for 30 seconds.
Unless let me finish the first
Okay, so
time.
will you stop for a minute? I want you to stop for a minute. Just stop for a minute.
First time. You saying
now
this
stop
is
for a minute, Miss Ilmi.
You calling me a parachute.
Miss Ilmi, please stop for a minute. For God's sake, I'm requesting you.
You're telling
don't misbehave on television, please.
It's a joke.
Miss Ilmi, don't misbehave on television. Don't show your arrogance to this extent. You have just joined the BJP. You are behaving so arrogantly on the program. This is the arrogance of politicians, please, when asked a question.
Somebody who did not even ask for a ticket.
Miss Shazia Almi.
Somebody who was not part of
Miss Shazia Almi.
I was part of Anna Hazare.
We'll get her back when we get her. Take her off the screen. We talk to her when we have the line back.
Neither am I demanding it now. In fact, I'm refusing it.
Miss Shazia Almi, will you please be quiet?
You're calling somebody
Can we get her back on the line?
all kinds of names while allowing other parachute candidates and political opportunists.
Can we get her phone line back, please?
An opportunity to
okay, I want to
me.
explain something. The reason she's going on and on is because she can't hear me right now. And I hope she just stops for a minute. I really hope Shazia Almi stops. Has she stopped? Do we have the line back with her? Okay, now Shazia Almi, just for a while, and I'll tell you one thing, it's really, it's not acceptable that you just carry on like this. Just be quiet for a minute, I'll tell you something. Two things are there, Miss Ilmi. The first point is, you were in the Aam Aadmi Party, now you're in the BJP. Questions will be asked. Don't try and teach journalism to others. 1 minute, and if questions are asked,
and there's nothing
no,
wrong with that.
Miss Ilmi, now please listen to me. And I am not, you see, problem with you is that you have joined the BJP, you think you've joined the ruling party, and now you're in a position where you lecture people on television. I don't allow it, so please don't do it with me. Don't teach me journalism. Second is, don't teach me journalism. Like I won't teach you politics, don't teach me journalism. Second point is, second question to you is, and I now want to see if Shazia Almi can answer this question. Shazia Almi, answer a specific question. A question to you is, Shazia Almi.
That does not explain anything.
Miss Shazia Almi, a question is being asked to you. Listen to the question and answer, please. If you can't answer, don't answer. A question is being asked to you. Again, you are so nervous because I'm about to ask a question. Miss Shazia Almi, I am not about to give you a platform, and you please answer my question. And by the way, Miss Shazia Almi, you may be B team of this party or that party. I don't know which party you'll go to next. Then you'll say, I've changed my position again. You are a politician now. You have done the U-turns. You keep changing your position. Don't teach others about consistency. Now, Miss Shazia Almi, Miss Shazia Almi, you see, Miss Shazia Almi, I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this rubbish. My question is, do you know where the 952 crores of the BJP have come from? On the 11th of November, you said, I want to know from the BJP where the 952 crores come from. I am asking you, do you know where the 952 crores have come from? In November 2013, you said, and I'm quoting you, please do explain where the 952 crores in your party funds are coming from. I am asking you a very simple question. Do you, Miss Shazia Almi, know today where the 952 crores came or are coming from? Simple. Do you know? Or is it an irrelevant issue now?
Yes, I'm sure that's a very important question. I'm sure that
I only ask important questions. You give me the answer.
And believe you me, it's a very, very important question. And I would also like to ask, and you to ask Aam Aadmi Party, why there are so many fake receipts? Why there are so many fake receipts?
Okay.
Why there are so many donations with the one receipt? I would also like to ask them the question.
I asked a question. She's not answering. Ashish can answer that.
All the questions of BJP.
Listen, I would not duck any questions, Shazia.
Yeah, go ahead.
Aam Aadmi Party
Now, viewer can decide whether Shazia answered that question.
Political funding, campaign funding on its website.
Phone lines are open now, please. Phone lines are open now.
Every penny that we receive,
phone lines are open
on the website. You go and check. Second point, Aam Aadmi Party is the only party which wants to come under the Right to Information Act. And we want other political parties also to come under the Right to Information, because we think the people have the right to know where the political parties get their funding from. Because unless politics gets clean, unless there is clean funding behind politics, we won't get a clean system. If we want clean politics, we want to fix the system. If we want a corruption-free India, we have to first cleanse corruption from politics. That's why we created Aam Aadmi Party. That Aam Aadmi Party will fund its elections, will run its election campaigns with money donated by the people of this country, by the common man of this country. What Raseed are you talking about? Today you have joined a political party which stands indicted by the Delhi High Court for violating FCRA Act. Today you have joined a party which gets 85% of its funding from unknown sources. Today you have joined a political party which runs its election campaigns with the help of black money. Any political party that spends 10,000 crore rupees, 15,000 crore rupees to win an election can never give a corruption-free India.
2 days back.
What happened to your ideas? What happened to your ideology? You're talking about this Raseed, that Raseed, my candidature, your candidature. All you wanted to fight elections. All you wanted was to fight elections. Today you won't get a ticket from Aam Aadmi Party because you lost 2 elections on the trot. You have joined BJP. Some time back, you were throwing kachra on the road and doing photo ops. Your duplicity, dishonesty has come through over the last 8 months, Shazia. So stop doing this name-calling business. Let's concentrate on the issues that concern the people of Delhi. It's not about you and me. It's not about your candidature and my candidature.
Come on, where were you?
What happened to political ideas today? You stand next to Amit Shah. You stand next to Amit Shah and get clicked.
And there's nothing
what
else
happened?
You
have joined with Amit Shah. The same Amit Shah used to call murder,
and now you're maligning somebody who joined the movement when he was not even a party. When I'm not even contesting from anywhere.
BJP
should I ask you why did Arvind say he will join, he will not take support from Congress and took it? Should I ask you why Arvind was asking everybody to distribute liquor and money?
What happened to ideas?
Which world are you living in now? Should I ask you why Arvind Kejriwal said he will not take a bungalow and took it? Should I ask you?
You ask as many questions you have to ask,
all inner party democracy is wrong.
Don't duck from simple questions.
Should I ask you, Ashish Khaitan, now
tell us
as to why
that now you are convinced that BJP doesn't get any black money for its political funding.
Give so many tickets to all the corrupt corporates.
Okay, Shazia Almi, my question to you is this, please. You see, 1 second. The day Ashish Khaitan shifts his party, the questions will be on him. My question is on the U-turn election. The question is this, Shazia. Ashish, please, 1 second. My question is this. On the news
I knew, Arnab, you would make it about this.
Miss Shazia Almi, I am asking questions about a U-turn election. I don't have to make anything about this. You don't have to feel so persecuted. A question is being, what did you expect? You want underhand deliveries out here? I am asking you a straight question, Miss Shazia Almi. It's my job to ask you straight questions. I don't take my diktat from politicians like you, and don't you dare to tell me what I should ask and not ask. Please don't do that ever. And my question to you is simply this. You raised questions on the news hour. Miss Shazia Almi, please.
Saying something.
I am telling you, I will ask questions to everyone in the way that I want.
And denouncing them the next.
Miss Shazia Almi, you're the one. What did you expect? Did you ask on 21st November, on 11th November 2013? Now she says she can't hear me. I'm going to wait till she can hear me again. Now we get her back. Now she can hear me. Right. Ms. Shazia Almi, continuing my questioning. On the 11th of November 2013.
Yes, Mr. Arnab Goswami. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Okay. So, on the issue of foreign funding, on 11th of November 2013, you said, please do explain where the 952 crores of the BJP and the 2,200 crores of the Congress have come from. Don't hide behind the law, and that contributions of less than 20,000 will not be disclosed. You still stand by that statement, do you?
Yes, Mr. Arnab Goswami, can I answer now? I waited for 7 months. I saw this new government. I was invited to be a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
What does that
I
have to do with what I'm
chosen a
asking?
political route, a political process.
What does that have to do with what I'm asking?
No, I'm answering. I saw the choices I have today, and I saw only one party, which is BJP now, which actually stands for politics of transformation, which is being inclusive, which has actually
What does
invited
Swachh Bharat have to do
and
with
offered me a role, not as a candidate, but to work. And I do want to work with sanitation. I do want to
Shazia, I
work
want to ask one
with
question.
You've
planning.
joined the
What do you
BJP
I
think
do
to
about
want to
work
work
with
with so many
sanitation.
issues.
Who
So
has
why
been a
should I?
You joined the BJP to work with
Why should
sanitation.
you want me
Of
not
Delhi.
to join a political party?
No, what do I? I don't
You
care
want
whether
me
you
to
join a
give,
political
not work
party or
with
you
a
do
party,
whatever.
or to work within the system, work within within governance.
But
You don't want me
used
to. You don't want me to work with
you
any
used to
political
criticize
party.
the same system.
You don't want me to be part of political
No, I
setup.
don't care what you do, that's
yes,
your
I
problem.
will work and I stand for transparency. And I think there should be probity. And I'm very glad there has been no corruption scam in the last 7 months. I'm very
So-
glad that bureaucracy
so Miss,
has been streamlined.
how do you know?
I'm very happy. There is a lot of discipline that is there. I'm happy that there is a new blueprint for governance and development. I'm very
So,
happy
Shazia, do you
that
ex- do
Narendra
you-
Modi
do you
has
think now
said,
there is
and I'm
no
very
corruption
happy
in
with the
BJP
fact that he
ruled
said
MCD?
that Muslims will die for their country.
Shazia, do you think there is no
And I
corruption
think,
now?
I think these are very
So
good
you're-
things.
so-
And I
so
want to
Miss-
be
so
part of
Miss-
this
of Delhi?
positive energy. No,
So-
let me explain.
Miss-
I want to explain this. I want to be part of this change.
Oh, really? And
I
so
realize
your
Aam
so
Aadmi
your
Party
so
has
so your
denounced
third
the
eye.
principle it espoused.
Your Miss Shazia, interesting. I'm just saying. So you are saying
Any
today.
voice of dissent is crushed in Aam Aadmi
saying
Party.
today.
There are no women leaders.
You are
Talking
saying
about women. I ran around to Arvind Kejriwal for women's security, and I did not get time with him because he wasn't bothered.
Okay. So your
A
third
girl,
eye.
the convener of Ghaziabad slapped a girl, but he was Manish Sisodia's man, so nobody could touch him. He slapped a girl in front of me. This is the party. It's a party of goons. You don't know what they put me through. You don't know what happens inside. So it's very easy for them to say all these wonderful things on television, but you don't know what's going on. You don't know there
When
is
did you
probe
realize
against 6,
that it
7
is a party of
candidates.
goons?
The same corporators
When we were
who we
denied
keep
a ticket
accusing
and
have
when you
been
lost
given
the
the
elections,
tickets.
2
Lot
elections
of
back to
decent
back.
guys and Aam Aadmis have been thrown out. It's become a party
Shazia,
of
do you
saints
know
now.
what the AAP
It's
volunteers
money
think
for-
about you?
for-
No, you
for-
made a couple of
Shazia,
points
do you
here.
know what our volunteers who have campaigned, run your election
Doesn't
campaign, think
matter.
about
Our
you?
volunteers will
Don't
obviously
make it
think
all this
Arvind
personal
Kejriwal.
tutu-meme.
Doesn't matter.
Don't
Doesn't
make
matter
it
what they
tutu-meme.
think. When I was part of Anna
Don't
Hazare
make it
movement,
tutu-meme. Let's
the
talk
world
about
thought badly
issues
of me.
that
People
people
vilified
of
me.
Delhi would
I'm
like to
strong enough
know,
to take
Shazia.
that. Let them
What's
think.
your
I don't
vision
want
for
to
Delhi?
know. You
What's
want to
your
be the
vision for
feel back
Delhi?
factor? I
Today,
don't.
what's
I'm
your political
prepared for that.
ideology?
This is what they
What
do.
do you think?
See, if you, with the,
What do you
if you,
think that
if you
people of
question
Delhi should
Arvind
ask?
Kejriwal,
What do you think that
become a
people of
gaddar.
Delhi should get?
If you
Tell me,
if Arvind wants to be a CM,
can the people of
listen to
Delhi
me.
expect a good
Arnab,
governance
I don't want to know.
from a
I
BJP
really don't want
which
to
has
know
been
what they
running
think of me
a
because I know
deeply,
already.
thoroughly
I deal
corrupt
with it every
municipal
day.
corporation of Delhi for the last 8
I
years?
deal with it every
Can
day.
the people of
And
Delhi
it's my choice that I
expect
joined this
good
party.
governance
I'm
from the Delhi
disillusioned
unit
and
of BJP,
disenchanted
whose
and
vice
totally
president and
dismayed by
president
how Aam Aadmi
are
Party has
both
been.
have been contractors
Really?
of the corrupt Bijli companies who have been fleecing the people of Delhi. Can the people of Delhi expect a good government
This election
from the
commission
Delhi
has
unit
sent
of
them a
BJP,
notice.
whose
And despite
president
that,
and
they
vice
do that.
president
They fudged
install
up the figures
meters
totally.
for
There were two
BCS.
companies there which are bogus
Can the
companies.
people of Delhi
and I'm
expect
sure
a good government
BJP
from
and
BJP,
Congress has
whose
many
half of
imperfections.
corporators have
But
been
Aam
involved in
Aadmi Party
corruption?
are not the holiest angels. I can
15,000
promise you
crore
that
rupees
much.
is the annual budget
They
of
are
NCT.
not the messiahs.
There are
They make
several
themselves out
reports
to
that
be.
show half of that money goes into corruption. BJP has been in power, ruling Municipal Corporation of Delhi for the last 8 years.
What about your funds? What about your
BJP has
receipts?
made Delhi
What
look
about one
like
receipt with many donors?
a kude ka dher.
What about
Delhi
that?
High Court has
What about
indicted
all the hoardings? Where have they
BJP
come
mayors.
from?
BJP ruled
What about all your
MCD
paid
for
volunteers?
turning Delhi into a kude ka
What about
dher.
that?
What
No,
do you
please
think?
explain.
You think that
what
BJP
about
can
suddenly
give
the
good
influx
government
of
to
new
people of
people
Delhi?
and keeping away of
Do you
of
think
simple,
BJP, which has been
simpletons who had
funded
less
by the
money?
Bijli companies who have been
Explain that.
extorting, fleecing,
The same MCD which was so
looting the
corrupt.
money of the people
How come you have
people of
the same
Delhi can
BJP
give
so
good
corrupt?
government
So don't,
to
Ashish
Delhi?
Khaitan, I want to ask you.
You tell me what
if
is it
BJP
that
is so
has
corrupt,
changed in BJP
I want to ask you.
that has
BJP is
made
corrupt,
BJP
Congress
very
is corrupt.
attractive to you
Then why
now?
do you have so many
Have you
corporators from these
received
parties
all the
as
answers that
candidates?
you had been seeking
Surely you
for
could
the
find
last
other
3
people.
years? that where
from
does
the same
BJP get its
constituencies?
political funding
Or were you
from?
so,
That BJP
you
is
had no
governed
choice,
by a
but
few
the
crony
same parties that you
capitalists.
so against,
That BJP
you've given
is,
them the tickets.
BJP is
Naresh
ruled,
Balian,
dominated,
Sahiram,
controlled
Fateh Singh,
by people
Parmila
with a
Tokas.
misogynistic
And
mindset.
I can tell you,
You
all
think
the
that
5
BJP
Muslim
has become a
candidates from
modern,
Muslim-dominated
progressive,
constituencies
pro-women.
have all been thrown
Tell
out
us now, we
by
would like to know
BSP
the answer.
corporators,
And if your
Congress
answers are
corporators,
convincing, we would accept
relatives
those
of
answers.
Rajkumar
We
Chauhan,
would take your
and
answer, we
relatives
would
of
accept.
Shahi Imam
Watch
Bukhari,
this, ladies and
a very
gentlemen.
communal guy called Amanatullah Khan, who
Watch.
actually backed a terrorist called Ziaur Rahman.
Why were you quiet
You
then?
know,
We
if
have
you-
become communal
Arnab, if I
and
give you
BJP has
details of
become
some of the
secular.
candidates, you will shiver.
Sometime back,
You will
BJP was
shiver.
communal and
You
Aam
will
Aadmi
shiver.
Party was
No,
secular.
one sec.
will
Because
shiver.
Shazia Ilmi has changed
Miss
sides.
Ilmi,
shiver.
Miss
You will
Ilmi,
shiver.
Shazia Ilmi says tonight, one second.
You will shiver.
Ashish
If you
Khaitan,
know what
Ashish
they've done.
Khaitan, one second. What worries me,
Desperation to
Oh,
win.
yes.
there one thing which worries me, there are two things which worry me tonight. What Shazia and Ashish, can I share this with you?
desperation to win
Well, there are
so
two things
much
which
that
worry
they
me.
do anything.
There are two things
They
which
accuse
worry me.
anybody.
Can I say something, Shazia? Will you listen to me, please? There are two things which worry me. And I've lost Shazia Elmi again. Let me get
And
her
when
back
it
on
was
the
asked,
phone.
फिर
1
से
minute.
खत्म होगी line.
Let's get her back on the phone. Give her a
And
phone
when
line.
it was...
Just get like one sec. We let all the stories
Yeah, did
come
you
out.
ask-
Shazia Elmi, can you hear me now? You can hear me now. One sec. We'll get her back. You see, if while we get Shazia Elmi back on the line, I'm not opening the phone lines tonight in this debate, but this is very interesting. Dear viewers in Delhi, what you're seeing, what worries me tonight, Ashish Khaitan and Shazia, are two things.
You know that
1 minute. Can I, Shazia, a minute.
so
Shazia,
much.
I'm just
They'll
saying one
say
thing.
anything.
Shazia,
They'll
listen
do
to me.
anything.
Listen to me, Shazia. What worries me tonight are two things.
You know, people's careers. It is so sad.
Shaz-
You ruin somebody's career in your life. You just make cast aspersions on them without adequate evidence. They keep doing that. As for their own vision and implementation, there is nothing. I've
What
been
are
an
you
insider.
doing on this debate?
Our friend here,
Shazia,
who seems to be
let's
saying a
talk
lot
about
of
the
things and
issues
judging me,
that concern
came much later.
the people of Delhi.
So let's
This
not
is
even go
about the
there.
election
But I know
for the
some
people
things
of
too.
Delhi.
And you will also know
Aam
that very
Aadmi
soon.
Party is
You know,
committed
the guy
to give a
from
good,
Okhla,
clean,
Amanatullah,
honest government
is
to
known
the
to be one of
people
the
of
most
Delhi.
communal guys.
We want to
and
fix
all
the
the good
system.
candidates
We want
who
to fix the
stood by
health
them
system,
through thick and thin,
education sector.
who were used,
We want to make
were just
Delhi
replaced.
a progressive,
They were replaced.
clean,
They were totally
prosperous
replaced
city.
by other candidates.
Let's talk
who were
about
richer,
the agenda.
who were
We have been
corporators,
working
and who
for
had
an
powerful
agenda
backgrounds,
for
who
the
were
people of
goons.
Delhi. We are
How
evolving a
fair is that?
definitive program.
Is that not backtracking?
Aam Aadmi Party
Is
today
that
is
an
a
act
beacon
of
of
an honest
hope.
party?
Let's talk about
I don't think
issues.
so. I think
Do you have
Ashish,
any agenda?
Ashish, listen
Do
to
you
her.
have any agenda how you are
Ashish,
going to
It's like
fix the
Animal
education
Farm.
sector, health
You know, it's
sector,
like
unauthorized
Arvind,
colonies,
it's like
JJ
Animal Farm.
clusters,
And you know, I didn't
Bijli
want to be a
issue, power
boxer.
crisis,
Let me tell you,
acute
if you've read
water
Animal
shortage.
Farm.
What are you
And
talking
there are these
about?
squealers.
Where are you taking
there
this
are
debate
squealers
to?
like Ashish Khaitan
Let's
and
talk
Manish
about
Sisodia, who
specifics.
one can take on any time.
Issues of the people of Delhi.
These are the
What are you
squealers
talking
of
about?
this
Let's talk
Animal
about
Farm.
public interest.
But I will not be sacrificed like a boxer. Remember that.
1 second,
Which is
Shazia and
exactly
Ashish.
what was done
Ashish,
to
here's
me.
a question
But
for
I
you.
fought back.
Ashish, here's a
But I
question
fought
for
back.
you. 1 minute,
And I'll continue to fight.
Shazia, I have a question for Ashish. Now we asked.
I have to go
now,
at 10 o'clock as I promised earlier.
You
so
give me
please don't
5 more minutes.
Don't make, I have to leave
5 more
one time
minutes.
now.
1 second, Shazia. This is very significant because you made a couple of very important observations
What's the
here.
time?
And Ashish,
Arnab,
answer
now
her
you'll
questions.
Make up all kinds of stories. but
5
I
minutes,
promised
Shazia. 1
you
second,
that I have
please.
to leave at
1
10
second.
o'clock.
Yeah, 5
So
minutes
will
because
leave.
I want
But I will not allow
Ashish
anybody
to
cast
respond to you
aspersions, least
with
of
you
all of
listening
those
to
with
this.
very
1
shallow
minute, Miss
backgrounds
Elmi.
who are complete
Miss
political
Shazia Elmi, 1
opportunists
second,
who are
please.
using this only
Miss
for political
Shazia Elmi,
expediency.
Miss Shazia
I'm
Elmi,
very
1 second.
proud of my decision.
Miss
And I
Elmi.
feel sad. I feel sad that I believe these people.
Miss Shazia
It just
Elmi,
means so
Miss
sad.
Shazia
I
Elmi,
cannot
it can
begin to
also
tell
be
you.
said that you chose to
If you come
believe
to know
them
the truth,
till you thought
you know,
that your
it's worse
political
than Animal
ambitions
Farm.
were being taken
the-
care of.
It is
You
so
chose to
Orwellian,
believe
it's not
them.
funny.
You chose
The
to turn a
entire-
blind
the
eye to
entire
everything
cause
till you
became a
felt
cult.
that you were the beneficiary.
You cannot imagine how it is. And because it is past 10 and I promised to be here till 10 to your team, which promised me that they will finish up by 9:30, I will beg your leave.
Well, Shazia
Thank
Elmi,
you so much, Mr.
Shazia
Goswami.
Elmi begs her leave, but the point is, it can easily be asked, was she conveniently going ahead, accepting everything, taking it in her stride, allowing communalism to be pushed, allowing rich candidates to be pushed ahead, allowing ideology to be compromised? As she said, it is being compromised as long as her own political ambitions were being taken care of. Is Shazia Elmi changing sides because she was not accommodated? Is there any honor in that? But at the same time, Ashish Khaitan, a few facts come out. Now you can turn around and argue that she's bitter and that she's motivated, she's coming out with things to suit her now political masters in the BJP. But these are allegations, and I think we're going to get you back to answer those allegations. But for now, Ashish Khaitan, Shazia Almi went away. Thank you for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour Tonight.